Freecash is a rewards platform where users complete online activities in exchange for rewards. But the value depends on which opportunities are available and how much time you spend. After 90 days, the biggest question is not whether Freecash can work for someone, but whether the time you put in matches the rewards you receive. By the end, you'll know what to check during a long-term Freecash review, how to judge your own results, and what makes the platform worth using or skipping. The first thing to review is consistency. A single day on Freecash does not show the full experience because available activities can change over time. A better test is tracking your activity across multiple weeks and comparing the effort required with the rewards you receive. Start by recording 3 things: the activities you complete, the time each activity takes, and the reward you receive. This gives you your own data instead of relying only on someone else's experience. The second part of a 90-day review is task quality. Not every activity will feel the same. Some options may fit your schedule better, while others may require more attention or more steps. The best approach is choosing activities that match the amount of time you are willing to spend. The third part is deciding whether the platform fits your expectations. Freecash is designed around earning rewards from online activities, not replacing a regular income source. Your results depend on the opportunities you find, your participation, and whether you continue using the platform over time. A good review also checks the overall experience. Pay attention to how easy it is to understand requirements, track progress, and decide whether an activity is worth completing before you start. After 90 days, the clearest answer comes from your own records. If the process fits your routine, and the rewards feel reasonable for your time, the platform may be useful. If the effort feels too high compared with the return, you have your answer. The main points are simple. Freecash results vary between users. Tracking your own activity gives the most accurate review, and choosing the right opportunities matters more than simply spending more time. Your next step is to review your past activity, identify which tasks gave you the best experience, and decide whether you want to continue. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews and online earning guides.